Today I thought it would be fun to film a get ready with me video because I haven't done one of these in a while.
And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away, should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something, let us go tonight.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Maxine. Thanks so much for watching. Today I thought it would be fun to film a get ready with me video because I haven't done one of these in a while. I only have one on my channel, so if you want to check that out, I will link that below. But this is the look that I created today. It's like a very natural, soft glam look, and it has some like golden shimmers in it, and I always love the golden shimmers, so anytime I can incorporate that into makeup, I love that. I really wanted to do a makeup tutorial using the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, so I finally came out with a look today. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and if you want to see more makeup tutorials or get ready with me videos, definitely like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram also, and if you recreate this look, then definitely tag me in the photo. I'll repost you on my Instagram. And if you guys want to see how I created this natural golden shimmer look, then definitely keep watching. The first thing that I'm using is this Dermalogica face cream. I love this product so much. It's a nice intensive moisturizer, and I always put this on before any foundation. The next product that I'm using is the Bare Minerals Tinted Moisturizer, and I'm applying that all over my face and using that for foundation today because it's pretty warm out, so I wanted something a little bit lighter on my face for foundation. And as always, I'm going to be listing all the products that I'm using along with the shades that I'm using in the description box, so if you want to pick up those products, go check those out. Next, I'm going to be applying my concealer, and I put it on my under eyes, on the top of my nose, on my forehead, just anywhere that I want to draw some light to my face with added coverage. Now I'm just taking my damp beauty blender and I'm blending all of the concealer in. I added a little bit of extra concealer underneath my eyes, and I'm just blending that out with a small brush. Now I'm taking this matte powder and I'm applying it all over my face to get rid of the shine. And I'm just lightly patting my face with the sponge that it came with. And then I always go back in with a big fluffy powder brush to make sure everything's nice and even. I'm just lightly filling in the beginning of my eyebrow with this dark brown pencil. My eyebrows are really nice and full, but I just like to fill in this front part so that it doesn't look sparse in the front. So the first shade that I'm taking from the Soft Glam palette is the Burnt Orange, and I'm just using the fluffy blending brush that it comes with, and I'm applying that to right above my crease. I'm also just feathering it up towards the end of my eyebrow to kind of open up my eye a little bit. Next, I'm taking the shade Rustic and I'm applying that into my crease, and this time I'm using the opposite end, which is the smaller brush. I just turned the brush around and I'm using the fluffy blending brush to just blend those two colors together. Now I'm just taking the dark brown shade Cypress Umber and I'm applying that to the outer corner and blending that in. Now I'm just diffusing that line with the bigger blending brush. Now I'm taking the shade Sienna and I'm applying that to my lower lash line. I'm taking the shade Sultry and I'm applying that to my lid. Now I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm applying the shade Fairy to the inner corner. I'm also applying the shade Fairy to my brow bone for a nice highlight. I'm just putting mascara on my natural lashes. I didn't want to use false lashes today because I wanted to keep today's look as casual as possible. Now I'm just applying contour all over my face with this amazing milk chocolate Too Faced palette that I love so much. And of course I have to apply a nice highlight to my cheekbone. And I also love applying the highlighter to the top of my nose as well. And for my lips to finish this look off, I'm using the shade Candy K with the Kylie Lip Kit. I'm just finishing off my makeup with this setting spray. Okay, and for my hair, I just took it out of my bun and shook it out and put it in a high pony. It's more of a laid back ponytail. I'm just going to take a couple of random pieces and wrap it around the iron. But most of the curl or wave in this ponytail is from my natural hair, which is what keeps it looking nice and laid back. And as I'm wrapping the hair around the iron, I'm purposely doing it kind of messy so that it keeps it nice and natural and textured. Now I'm just combing down any frizz and I'm giving it a nice spray with my Matrix hairspray. I love this spray because it keeps it nice and soft and flexible. Okay, so this is the final result. I love how it came out. This is definitely a look that I've done a couple of times, and I'm so glad I finally came out with a video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.